Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is October 17th, 2022, and we are looking at the Yardlong beans. So you see these vines have all died back. They've given their initial run of production, but we have some small stragglers back here that are starting to grow some additional vines. However, we've been dipping below the 70s since Hurricane Ian a couple weeks ago, and I don't think we're going to get any more production out of these Yardlong beans because of the temperature drops. So as far as this year goes, we'll keep monitoring these Yardlong beans, see if we can get any more growth, but I'm really confident that we're not going to get any more beans this year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, because next year in the spring, I'll be planting some more of these. A lot more of these. Have a good day.